Hi guys, and today I am opening Five Nights at Freddy's toys. It's been a long time since I've unboxed stuff. This is Chocolate Freddy. He's only for Easter. Chocolate Freddy, Chocolate Bonnie, Chocolate Chica. And then there's Glam Rock Chica. And then these are the ones that you can get. I already have Vanny. So, let's do it. I'm gonna open Chocolate Freddy first. This is the only scissors I got. Come on. That should be good. Right. Come on, Freddy. Oh, also, guys, always wear a mask when you go outside these days. Because of COVID. Alright, let's just get back to it. Oh, it would be really cool if it actually smelled like chocolate. So here's Chocolate Freddy. So like other animatronic, other Five Nights at Freddy's toys, you can be flexible, and as you saw when I opened it, the pieces can go off so you can mix and match. Oops. But this one, it's kind of hard to put it together, but I don't really care. So I'm just going to put it here. Now, let's get to the camera. Good. So, just ignore the background. This is the only place I got to make this video. Sorry. On. Better. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Ta-da. Just ignore the sound. So unlike Freddy, she has a instrument. But regular Chica doesn't really have an instrument. I usually take the leg pieces off so I can take them out. But this one doesn't really work. That's one way to do it. That's one way to do it. Like, seriously. Alright. Put this here. Ready? Now put this part here. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Here she is.
Ay, ito dapat pula yung ilalim.
Now,
Dapat pula. Wag blank. Parang yung buhok dati ni Jade yung itim tapos pula. Parang nagkuklo yung lava.
here's her with her instrument.
Tapos pabutas ka na rin kay Jamie ng ilong. Saka ng dila.
So, that's all for today, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Also, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. I think that's how you do it. I'm not a really popular YouTuber, so I don't get it. I don't really know. But whatever. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see the videos that I upload next. So, see you later.